Hey guys, Todd from Dirt Cat Plumbing here. Today I'm going to do a couple videos talking about familiarizing yourself with a multimeter and diagnosing an electric water heater. So the first step is to get a standard multimeter, and as you can see there are two different types of V's on this here. There's a V with a straight line with dots underneath it, and there's a V with a wavy line past it. So this first V with the straight line and the dots, that signifies DC, which is direct current. So direct current is what you have inside of a kind of battery that you would have inside of an automobile, a car or truck. The other V, this signifies AC with the wavy line, which is alternating current. Alternating current is what we have in power lines. It's in every home, every business. You have alternating current. That's your type of power that you have in your house or your building. So the first thing we're going to do is, when we're checking power at, say, a 120 volt wall plug, we'll switch this to the V that says V200. Now what that means is we don't want to check power that's over 200 volts on here. It could mess up the multimeter. So we're going to put it at V200, and we're going to take the two probes. It doesn't matter which one goes in which one. And you kind of wiggle around a little bit, and you got 119.8, 120 volts. That means that you have the correct power going to the wall plug. In a electric water heater, there are two things that we check for. The first thing is power. The second thing is continuity. We'll talk about continuity in the second video. The standard multimeter, you can get one of these at Harbor Freight, or you can get one from Electrical Supply House or Home Depot, Lowe's. 20 bucks at Harbor Freight and around 35 to 50 bucks at somewhere else that has a better name brand. I like to get the better name brand stuff because I like to have good quality tools. The other thing that we'll check is continuity. So on the multimeter, where it has the upside down horseshoe, that is the symbol for ohms, and ohms is what you use when you're checking continuity. So we'll talk about that more in the second video. I hope this was helpful. You guys have a good day.